Welcome back to our channel, and you guessed it, we're back with another intriguing topic. Animals are an important part of our lives, and it's almost impossible to not run into them every once in a while.
Run!
However, not all of them are friendly or safe to be interacted with. And that's why today's topic is about the 10 most venomous animals on our planet. 10. Stonefish. Many consider the stonefish to be incredibly ugly, while others believe that everything in nature is beautiful. But one way or another, one thing that cannot be denied about this animal is that it's very, very toxic. It has 13 spines on its back, and they can deliver a poisonous neurotoxin that can not only cause unbearable pain, but also cause a death within just 6 hours if not treated. So, if you ever feel pain after encountering a weird fish, rush straight to the nearest hospital. 9. Harvester ant. There are 26 different types of harvester ants, and almost all of them are as harmless as any other type of ants that we encounter in our casual lives. But one type, known as the Pogonomyrmex Maricopa, is believed to be the most venomous insect on the planet. Their stings are 35 times more toxic than that of a rattlesnake, and they can easily kill a human being with a little over 100 bites. 100 bites may sound like too many for one ant, but several of them can swarm on your body at once, so always try to run away if this ever begins to happen to you. 8. Mexican beaded lizard. Some types of lizards being venomous comes off as no surprise to anyone, so the question comes down to asking what lizard is the most dangerous of them all. The answer is the Mexican beaded lizard, which carries a poisonous serum in their lower jaw glands, and it needs to bite its human victim to pose a threat on their health.
No!
But to get bit by them is already quite a big deal, as they're usually reluctant to attack. So, the next time you see one of them, simply walk the other way. 7. Coastal taipan. You knew snakes would be an important part of this list, and that brings us to the coastal taipan. Its venom immediately affects your nervous system and blood coagulation as soon as you are bitten. While some toxic animals have an inconsistent rate of mortality, the coastal taipan's venom is guaranteed to kill anyone if they are not treated by an expert within half an hour. It goes without saying that you should avoid snakes, but let's just say that you should avoid this one with extra effort. Before we get into the next animal's identity, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support us, because it helps us create more videos for you to enjoy. Now let's get to the next animal right away. 6. Platypus. The platypus is the most venomous mammal and can cause a bit of a threat to human beings, as they can deploy venom from spurs that are located in their legs. However, interestingly, this venom is not very harmful to human beings if treated, and instead can kill cats and dogs with ease. So while you might not have to avoid platypuses yourself, you need to make sure your pets stay away from them too. 5. Cone snail. Now here's something unusual. This snail in the shape of a cone is one of the most venomous animals in the world. They move very slowly, and this allows their venom to become more potent, and it is distributed by their teeth. You might be wondering, what can a snail's tiny teeth do? The answer is a lot. The cone snail's teeth are called radulae, which are strong enough to cut through a wetsuit. So, just how powerful is the venom here? Scientists estimate that a single cone snail has enough venom to kill 20 adult humans, and the dose required for each of them is very small. 4. Blue-ringed octopus. The octopus is a complicated creature, but how bad can something that many humans eat be? When it comes to this specific species of the octopus, the answer is worse than you might expect. Even though it's small, the venom can cause respiratory failure within just 10 minutes. And similar to number 7, you can die in just 30 minutes. However, there is no known antidote, and a single bite is dangerous enough to kill 26 people. The lesson here is that if you see a unique cute octopus, don't try to play with it. Run in the opposite direction instead. 3. Inland taipan snake. If you thought that the other snake on this list was bad, wait until you hear about this one. The inland taipan snake has one of the deadliest venoms known to mankind, and a single drop of it can kill 100 adult men. It does not even take a long time to do it, as you can die in just 45 minutes if not treated, and your health begins to drop sooner than that too. Fortunately, it has a distinctive body color, so you can usually spot it from a distance at least, and that should give you enough time to flee. 2. Funnel web spider. Australia and spiders go hand in hand, so it should be no surprise that we're about to discuss one of the deadliest spiders of our planet, and it happens to be from there. The funnel web spider has a venom that is twice as lethal as cyanide, which can increase blood pressure, cause arrhythmia, send you into a coma, and even kill you. And the time window in which you can act is very small, as it can kill a child in just 15 minutes. And the minutes aren't generous for adults either, as the difference is very small. 1. Box jellyfish. Another animal found within Australia, the box jellyfish arguably has one of the most toxic and deadly venoms that are found on the planet. What makes matters worse is that it can become transparent within water, so you can't always see it coming towards you. It has the ability to sting human beings with millions of nematocysts, which, in easy words, can cause excruciating pain, paralysis, and cardiac arrest. And unlike some of the other animals that give you a 30-minute window to get treated, the box jellyfish can cause a death within just a few minutes. Which is not a surprise when you consider the fact that a single box jellyfish has enough venom to kill 60 human adults. While in a perfect nature, none of these animals would pose a threat. It's surely a blessing to know which animals you can avoid, as some of them cause death immediately. One way or the other, though, it just shows you how varied nature can be, and makes you appreciate it even more. If you like this video, do leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon for instant updates of our future content. We'd love to hear about your experiences and requests too, and we'll see you on our next video.